Good day sa lahat. Last video, tinalakay natin at hinimay natin ang Objective 1 which is COI for Proficient Teachers. Ngayon, himayin naman natin ang Objective 3, COI for Proficient Teachers. Objective 3, yung COI 3 natin. Ensure the positive use of ICT to facilitate the teaching and learning processes. PPST Indicator 1.3.2. So take note of the word positive use. What do we mean when we say positive use? Okay, sa PPST module, dinefine itong positive use of ICT. It is the responsible, ethical, and appropriate use of ICT to ensure and achieve learning. So we have to define this significant concept. Why? To facilitate deeper appreciation of the indicator na isinasaad dito sa Objective 3. O, paano nga ang pag-integrate nitong ICT? Positive use of ICT. O, halimbawa, nakapagpagamit si teacher ng cellphone or ng gadget sa pagbuo ng isang tula. O, maaari na yun, di ba? Positive use of cellphones. Nakabuo ng itula, o nakabuo ng tula ang mga bata through the use of his or her cellphones. Paano niya naman maisi-share yung kanyang binuong tula sa kanyang mga kamag-aral? So, pwede natin i-encourage kapag si teacher in-encourage, okay, class, your tula using private message or by sending short messages, SMS to your friends or classmates. Ang gaganda ng output ng mga bata na ipagamit mo sa kanila ang Canva para mas ma-explore nila ang kanilang creativity, then that is a positive use of ICT. And then the teacher will ask the learners na yung ginawa nilang mga output ay i-upload ba sa Facebook or sa YouTube channel, then that is also use of ICT. Naipagamit ni teacher ang social media and other social media platforms, halimbawa sa isang subject na entrepreneurship, to promote their businesses or the basics of entrepreneurship using Facebook. Na-analyze nila the vitality of online businesses in social media as a platform. The marketing strategies and buying behavior of consumers online could also be better examined through this social media platform. At namimit mo na objective kapag napapagawa mo ito sa iyong mga learners. Nakagagamit ba si teacher ng iba't ibang online applications o mga app na nakatutulong sa engagement ng mga learners? So, ang dami na ng mga emerging educational technologies na po pwedeng magamit ni teachers. Diba? Andyan yung Kahoot, Zipgrade, Quizlet, at iba pang online game-based learning platform. Maraming salamat sa inyong pakikinig. Samahan niyo akong muli sa ating next video para sa paghimay-himay natin sa Objective 4, COI for Proficient Teachers. Padayon!